Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's your real estate friend Chinoso Freddy. Drive with me today as we explore Night Mile Enugu. So this is Night Mile and we are driving the video to Eke Udi Night Mile. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, like, subscribe and share this video. And on this channel I talked about real estate and real estate investment, and also you have available property in the Night Mile axis, which is called Dealers Garden Estate Phase 2, currently selling for 3.5 million naira. Now if you watch this video to the end, you are going to see how developed and how industrialized this area is, and that is why Night Mile is one of the commercial industrialized area in Enugu currently. Now watch this video to the end. Let me know you are watching this video from the comment section, and how do you see Night Mile Enugu in the comment section with the ongoing developments going on in Night Mile.